If you've been getting a lot of scam emails lately and you're wondering if your information is maybe involved in a data breach, you can go to Have I Been Owned and enter your email here, and that'll show you if your email was part of a data breach. Here it gives you some recommendations to just enhance your security, and then here is the list of data breaches that my email was potentially involved in. So if you're reusing passwords a lot, um, hackers might sometimes try different email and password combinations on websites. And if they get access to if they happen to guess your password, then if you're reusing your password a lot, they'll easily get access into other accounts because they can just reuse that same email and password. So this shows you if your email was involved in a data breach. If you go to password in the top menu, you can actually enter your password and do the same kind of search. Try running one that you commonly reuse and see if it's been involved in a breach, because if it has been, you want to change that password immediately. And to avoid changing and to avoid reusing your password a lot, I would recommend using LastPass. I've compared LastPass to Dashlane, which is another main password manager, and LastPass actually gives you the most freedom for the free account. So with a free account, you're allowed to have an unlimited number of passwords and logins saved. I've compared that to Dashlane, and they actually only give you 25 passwords now. It used to be unlimited. Now you can only store 25 logins with the free version, whereas LastPass still gives you an unlimited amount, which is really amazing. LastPass lets you generate unique passwords and also very hard to hack passwords. So whenever you're saving a new login or you're resetting a password, save that login with LastPass right away and have LastPass generate you a very complicated password. Using this means you only need to remember one password, which is your master password for LastPass, and then the site has all of your passwords saved within it. And if you go to any website, it'll automatically fill your forms with your login credentials. You can use it on the computer, and they also have mobile apps. If you go to saymine.com, the site actually lets you see what companies have your email, and you can request this site to get your email back, to basically delete your credentials from that company's database. So here you can take a guess at how many companies have your email. And here you can see that 253 different companies are holding my information. And by hitting this button, I can see which they are. However, this is the free version, so it's not going to show me every single one. Looks like just the first 7 that I'm seeing here. The rest are going to be all blurred out. You'll have to get a premium version to be able to see all of them. And then if you actually go back, as you can see here, it says 0 reclaims because I haven't reclaimed my information from any of these companies yet. So once you start doing that through this site, they'll start showing up here. And just in case you're curious, their pricing is right here. It is pretty cheap.